Mega spannend. Allemachtig. Come on!
1 minute ago, Mount Mayon unleashes 90 pyroclastic flows in 24 hours. Lava avalanches racing faster than any vehicle, threatening thousands below. Mount Mayon, located in Albay Province, Philippines, has entered a highly dangerous phase. Over the past 24 hours, 3 monitoring stations recorded 90 pyroclastic density currents and 72 rockfall events. These are superheated avalanches of lava, rock, and gas, moving downhill at speeds that would outrun any vehicle. The summit lava dome continues to fragment, sending deadly flows toward populated areas. More than 3,500 residents have been evacuated, leaving homes, farms, and belongings behind, as authorities struggle to keep pace with the volcano's escalation. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, PHIVOLCS, has raised the alert level to 3, signaling that magma has reached the crater and a hazardous eruption could occur within days to weeks. This alert is not just a number, it represents imminent danger. Residents within 6 kilometers of the summit are under strict evacuation orders. The rapid escalation is unprecedented. In just 5 days, Mayon jumped from alert level 1 to level 3, a process that normally takes months. Scientists are concerned that this eruption could surpass previous events in both intensity and danger. The lava dome at the summit is growing and fragmenting simultaneously. Thick, viscous magma rises slowly through the crater, forming an unstable mound. As the outer surface cools and hardens, new magma continues to push from below. Every collapse of the dome generates pyroclastic density currents, deadly avalanches of gas, ash, and molten rock traveling at hundreds of kilometers per hour. Over the past 24 hours alone, 90 pyroclastic flows and 150 rockfall events were recorded. Thermal cameras reveal the crater glowing continuously at night, confirming that the volcano remains highly active. Mount Mayon rises 2,462 meters above Albay Province, its near-perfect cone making it one of the most photographed volcanoes in the world. However, this symmetrical beauty hides a violent history. Since 1616, Mayon has erupted more than 50 times. Some eruptions were minor, but others were catastrophic, reshaping landscapes and claiming thousands of lives. The deadliest eruption occurred on February 1, 1814, killing approximately 1,200 people as pyroclastic flows buried entire towns. Today, fertile volcanic soil continues to attract communities, creating a dangerous proximity between people and one of the world's most active volcanoes. Monitoring stations show the volcano is inflating, particularly on its eastern and southeastern flanks. GPS, tilt meters, and electronic distance measurement systems all indicate that magma has been accumulating beneath the summit for over 18 months. The combination of dome growth, summit collapse, and magma accumulation creates an extremely unstable system. Scientists warn that even a single large collapse could trigger catastrophic pyroclastic flows. Residents are already facing the consequences of the eruption. Thousands have evacuated to shelters in nearby towns, including Tabaco City, Malapot, Liao City, Camalig, and Guinobatan. Families left at dawn carrying only essential belongings, while emergency responders work to provide food, water, and medical care. Schools in the affected municipalities remain closed, and access to the permanent danger zone is strictly prohibited. Aviation authorities warn pilots to avoid flying near the summit due to ash plumes reaching 500 meters above the crater. The situation is tense, As authorities balance safety, logistics, and limited resources, the human toll is only part of the story. Environmental impacts are already being observed. Turbidity in rivers and reservoirs is rising, threatening aquatic life. Sediment mobilization could release heavy metals from the volcanic deposits, while ashfall affects crops and local infrastructure. Communities that rely on farming, which benefits from the fertile volcanic soil, now face both immediate danger and long-term disruption to their livelihoods. Science continues to play a critical role in monitoring and predicting the volcano's behavior. Seismic instruments record constant tremors, while thermal cameras and gas analyzers track heat and emissions. Sulfur dioxide emissions remain at baseline levels, suggesting the magma is relatively degassed, but this could change without warning. Every pyroclastic flow, rockfall, and dome collapse is recorded and analyzed. Scientists remain vigilant, knowing that the volcano's activity can escalate rapidly. The pace of activity at Mount Mayon has alarmed both residents and researchers. Rockfall events that previously occurred over 2 months are now happening in just days. The lava dome grows with every passing hour, its instability heightened by new magma rising from the depths. Each pyroclastic flow and collapse serves as a deadly reminder that Mayon is not just a natural landmark, but a volatile, living force. Mount Mayon is beautiful yet deadly. Every night its crater glows with molten rock, while pyroclastic flows race down its slopes, threatening communities below. Thousands of evacuees wait in shelters, emergency responders are on high alert, and scientists watch every movement, knowing that the next eruption could be larger, faster, and more destructive. The coming days will determine whether this episode remains manageable or escalates into one of the most dangerous eruptions in Mayon's history. This is not a disaster movie. It is happening now. Mount Mayon continues to reshape the landscape, test human preparedness, and remind the world that nature cannot be tamed. Every pyroclastic flow, every collapse, every glowing night is a warning. This volcano is alive, and its fury is only beginning.